Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today we're going to do another Amazon video. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I was kind of just going through my Amazon history, and I've bought some really cool stuff so far this year. So I just thought I would share with you guys. So these are in no particular order. These are super duper random. I don't know about you guys, but I just enjoy watching these videos because I usually find something I didn't know about and that I just need to have in my life. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So the first two items we're gonna talk about are right behind me. So if I move over, you can see my ring light in the reflection, so I apologize. But these are my new little twinkle lights, and then this is this curtain panel here that I just recently got. I've always had twinkle lights up there. I think maybe it's been like 2 years now, and I had a different, like a mesh almost kind of panel that I picked up from IKEA. Well, we bought a new vacuum, and let me say that it is very powerful, and it sucked up the panel in it along with the lights a few times. So it was time to replace them. So I just recently got this panel and I love it. It's like a farmhousey kind of type vibe, and you buy the panels separately. So I only bought one, so it's just kind of in the middle of these other curtains that I have over here. But you could totally buy two and like put them on each side, but this worked out perfect for us. Now the twinkle lights. Okay, I had major issues with these twinkle lights. This is actually the second set that I ordered because the first ones, I clearly was not paying attention, but they said warm on them. Yeah, they were legit yellow. I put them up and they looked beautiful during the day, and then at nighttime I looked over and I was like, yeah, not my vibe. I would like more of the cool colors. These are a little cooler than I would like them to be. I wish that they could be a little more on the white side. You can't really tell during the day, but at night they do look a little more blue, but I'm okay with the blue. It's better than the yellow. And I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but I will put all of these items linked in the description box below. So all you have to do is go down to that description box and click on the link, and you can go straight to the product that I actually ordered. So, all right, these were number 1 and 2, the panel and the twinkle lights, and let's get on to my third item. This next one is my laptop case. I am obsessed with this thing. I love the tie-dye look. I love the tie-dye. I don't know. It's got like a weird texture to it, kind of. It's like, almost like has bumps in some places, which is weird, but it's not like I'm gonna be feeling my laptop all the time. And then it did also come with the little keyboard protector thingy, whatever you want. I don't really know what the point of those is. It's kind of weird typing on them. I don't know if you guys have ever done it, but I just put it on there because I thought it was cute. But I love how this looks, and it seems to be really nice quality. The one I had on before, oh my goodness, I had it on for probably 2 years. It was literally falling apart, but it was doing its job and it was keeping my computer safe. So I like this one, and I want to say it was under $20. Okay, this next one, this is so pretty. I just love these. I bought these beautiful lace runners. So it actually came in a 2-pack. I want to say it was like $7 or $8. They are very, very thin, but they're so pretty. So what I do with them is I have one draped over my dining room table, and then I have one draped over my little buffet back there, and then I like tied the corners. I'll insert some video. But I did recently have to wash this thing because it got spilled on, and it's held up nicely. I thought for sure that maybe it would fall apart like when I washed it. Obviously I hand washed it, but it has held up nicely, and I was pleasantly surprised with these. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I've kind of been having trouble with my bathroom shower. We have white tile in there, and I cannot get the grout to clean. I have tried everything. Like, the only thing that even comes close to cleaning it is bleach, and I don't like cleaning with bleach because of the fumes. And yeah, so I had literally tried everything. Natural products. I even tried one of the other products that I'm gonna be talking about in a few minutes. I had such high hopes for that product, but it did not work. So this has been the only thing that has helped me. These Grout Pens. So this one actually comes in, it's basically a 2-pack, but it says it's 5 pieces. Up to 400 M coverage for narrow grout line. 400 M, 400 what meters? 400 M. Comes with a little brush here, which I don't even think I used. What is that? What is that? Is this to like clean it? It doesn't talk about this thing. What is this? If anyone has any idea, please let me know. Yeah, I never even used that part. These are the important parts. So you get 2 of the little Grout Renew pens and you shake it. So it's got a tip like that. And yeah, it's gonna come with 2 of these, and I'm not sure like how long the paint in there will last, but then it did also come with 2 little like tips. So you get 2 extra tips. But I've used this quite a bit in our shower and it's not even, I don't even think it's like halfway gone. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And if anyone knows what that little thing is, let me know. All right, this next one I'm going to talk about, I don't physically have because I cannot find it anywhere. I just saw it the other day and I'm wondering if I let my mom borrow it. I cannot find it, but it is this cute little leopard coin purse, wallet, whatever you want to call it. It's got a little bee on it. It is so cute. I just needed something. I have small purses. I like to carry small crossbody purses, and I only had like the bigger wallets, and so I wanted something little that would fit in it, and this is so perfect. It's so cute, and I love how it's got like a little key ring on it, so you could hook your keys on it if you wanted to, and I just love I just love the size of it. Fits the perfect amount of credit cards, a little bit of cash. If you wanted to, you could probably fit a lip gloss in there. I'm not really sure, but I just thought this was so cute that I wanted to share it with you guys, and I sure hope I can find it soon. All right, this next item we're gonna talk about is gonna look a little weird because I'm actually filming on my phone, and I'm gonna show you my phone case. So it didn't come with the pop socket, it just came with the actual phone case. So I recently got a new phone and obviously needed a new case for it, but this has been lasting really, really nicely. Seems to be good quality, and it was super cheap. And they come in a bunch of different colors, and I do like how it's got like, it's pretty tall right here because I have dropped my phone before like this on the ground and shattered everywhere, and the phone case I had then did not have a lip like that. So you definitely want to make sure you have something that kind of goes up a little higher so that is going to touch rather than your screen. So I was really happy with these. All right, this next one, we are going to talk about some watch bands. So I have gotten so many comments on this watch band. I got this off of Amazon. I wasn't going to talk about this one in this video, but I've gotten so many comments about it, where I got it from. I will put this one down in the description box as well if you guys want to check out that one. But the ones I'm going to talk about right now is a little 4-pack that I bought. So we were going out, I think we went to, last time we went to Vegas, I wanted to get something that was a little dressier, like not that this isn't, you know, this goes with everything, but I wanted something a little like sparkly or whatever. So I found these really cute ones. It came in a 4-pack, so it came with this silver color. This is almost like a rose gold, and then it came with these 2 colors as well. So I haven't even used these 2, but I got it mostly for these, and it's just cheaper if you buy them in a pack. I will link all of these down below, and especially this one because I know you guys really like this one. Okay, this next item we're gonna talk about, I'm sure you guys have all seen it before, either in a video or you have it, or just they're everywhere. We're gonna talk about this bad boy here, the Revlon Brush hair dryer, whatever this thing's called. This thing is a game changer. So I have a couple pros and I have just like one con, but I used to hate blow drying my hair. My hair, well, it's shorter now, but it used to take forever to dry. I could not figure out how to hold the brush and like do, you know how they do at the salon? I could not figure out how to do that. So this thing is a game changer. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically a hair dryer and a brush all in one. So you plug it in and it blows hot air out of here, and you can basically like dry your hair while like brush it, and it's drying it. And while it's brushing it, it's like, or while it's drying and brushing it, it's adding a ton of volume to it. Obviously it's not on right now, but I was just kind of trying to show you guys what to do. But this thing is awesome. My only con, it gets so flipping hot. It has damaged my hair a bit. I did notice like I had some breakage up on top, and I was like, okay, I know I've been dyeing my hair blonde, so it's probably because of that too, but I blame a little bit on this. If you have it on the hot setting, it can damage your hair. So I put it on the low setting, and then once it's pretty much dry, I put it on the cool setting a little bit and just kind of go through it again, and it just kind of sets everything. And I don't use this all the time. I maybe only use it like once a week. I mostly just air dry my hair, but this thing is a game changer. If you like to dry your hair and you use one of those brushes, I highly recommend getting one of these because it's so much easier and it's just really easy to work with. So I'm definitely a fan of this guy. Okay, next we are gonna talk about some leggings. So, you know, I live out here in Arizona and it's probably 103 right now. So I won't be wearing these anytime soon, but I bought these back in January and I just thought I would show you guys. They're so cute. They're just these camo joggers and they're so comfortable. I will insert pictures of me wearing them. They are so cute and so comfy, and I wish you guys could feel how soft they are. Oh my gosh. I literally lived in these in the winter time. So, and they're a great price. They're super duper comfy, and I got them in medium. So yes, check these out. Amazon really does have some really good clothing items. Like you can find some really awesome leggings, and you just have to kind of dig a little bit and maybe return a few, but when you find some you like, maybe order them in like 3 pairs. We're gonna talk about this bad boy right here. This is what I bought to try to clean my grout, like we were talking about earlier, and it just didn't work. But this thing has so many other uses and I love it. We are gonna talk about this Bissell Steam Shot over here. So this is basically a mini handheld steam cleaner. It has so many uses. I first saw this on Catherine's channel, Do It on a Dime. She was cleaning with it and she was talking about all these different uses that she did with it, and I was like, I need that in my life. So this thing is awesome. It's tiny, so it doesn't hold a ton of water, but it's perfect for the stuff that I use it for. This particular one actually came with a ton of attachments. Came with 3 of these little brushes like this, and yeah, they are a little different. Like, I can't figure out which one's the stiffest. I don't know, but, or maybe they're just different colors so you can use them in different rooms. Like, you know, the green one is just for the bathroom or whatever. So I'm not exactly sure if they're different or the same, but these brushes work really good. It came with this brush here where it's good to like go in between grout. And then this is actually, so put this attachment on here like that. This has, it's almost like a little scraper, and then you attach these to that, like that. And then once it's on and heated up, you just push the little button and hot air and steam comes out of here, and then you clean with whatever you're doing. So I have actually really liked using this in between, like on my baseboards, like in the corners of your rooms where it gets kind of like just dusty and maybe pet hair or something. What I like to do is just kind of spray this in the corner and then wipe it with a towel. So that's one thing I've been using this a lot for. I do like, I'll steam clean like the faucets, around the faucets. We have hard water here, so that cleans up the hard water around there. So I'll spray it with this and then I'll just wipe it clean with a towel and it comes right off. But I would have to say my favorite use so far is using this on the baseboards and like the corners of the rooms. And you can actually buy other attachments for it. Okay, the one I need to get, this one is the window squeegee tool. So I think I did see Catherine using something like that where she used it on her shower wall or shower glass, and it worked so well. So I think I need to buy that attachment. And it also has a fabric steamer tool as well. So if you want to use it as a steamer on your clothes as well. But I just had to share this little guy because it has kind of been a lifesaver in my cleaning life lately. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all have a great day and we will see you soon. Bye.